Now let's see, these are the some Roman numerals which are very important. If you remember these numerals, you will be able to form any Roman numbers. So like here 5, which is the first thing, first 1 you know in this way, 2 in this way, 3 lines, 4, but when you write 4, see here I have given 1 and V, that means I and V. Why I have not given 4 I's? Because I, which is we know as 1, it cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Clear? Now that's why for 4 I have written I and V. V why? Because V is 5. Now 4 means what? 5 minus 1 is 4. So if it is minus, that means when you have to subtract 1 from any number, we will write it to the left of that side, that number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Here it is 4. Clear? Next like 6. 6 means what? 5 plus 1. So if it is plus, we will write it to the right of that number. And if we have to subtract, we will write it to the left of that number. Got it? So in this way up to 8 you see. Then again in 9 I have written IX. I have not written V, then 4 I's. Why I have written IX? X means 10. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. So as it is minus or you have to subtract 1, so you will write I to the left of X. Clear? Same way, another important one is 40. 40 you will not write 4x, because like 1 I, you cannot repeat x also more than 3 times. Clear? So when you write up to 30, you can write x, 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 but when you will write 40, it will be xl. Why it is L? Now let's come. L means what? 50. Now 50 minus 10 is 40. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Got it? Next 90. XC. C, why I have written C is 100. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So always when you will subtract any number, you have to write to the left of it. And when you will add any number, you have to write to the right of it. Clear? Then 500D and 1000 we can write two ways, K or M. So these are the main some Roman numerals. If you understand this one, if you follow this one, you will be able to write any Roman numbers. And here which one I have told you verbally, these things I have written in statement form, you can go through it. Clear? Now on the basis of this estimation and Roman number, here are some assignments are there. Check it out. You have to solve it. Clear? Like yesterday I told you that whatever the assignments I am giving you, it should be in your copy in systematic format. So this is the second assignment on the basis of estimation and Roman number. It should be in your copy systematic way. Clear or not? These all will be attached as a documents also. So from there you can see, but again and again I am telling you students, maths is only depends on practice. If you don't practice, you will forget everything. So now this is for today. In the next class, I will start with some word problems and some value based question and horse question. So now there is no limit of word problems. So now it is not possible to give you all the word problems. I will show you some word problems, importance all. Some I will give you as an assignment. But apart from that, you have to practice by yourselves also. Okay, students? Thank you.